Controller box, as you can see a screen flashing that shows that the line is connected. It's ready to be powered up. Just hit the green button. It'll go through its startup sequence, and on the display you'll see it initialize. Okay, come up to the initialization screen. We're going to initialize it. So we hit F2. Once it does that, it tells you what this current settings configuration is for the unit. We can go into setup. And this is where you would enter your wafer size and the index as to where you want the probes to start and how far apart, plus all the other configurations. I'm going to exit out of here. We're going to keep these settings for now. I'm going to say run. It tells you, it gives you instructions. Load the wafer on the truck. Press enter to turn the vacuum on. At this point the wafer is anchored down, and then you can select the alignment method. These are more explained more in depth in the book, but I'll give you an example of scan X. Moves the disc. You can see it automatically turns the light on, raises the platform. At this point you could use the microscope and we'll say start, and it'll move the wafer back and forth so that as you're looking through the microscope you can see that it's aligned properly, and pause it if you need to make an adjustment. It also does have theta adjustment for turning the disc in a circular wrap pattern. We'll say resume. Once you've made your adjustment, you can then watch it again. Once you're satisfied that it's aligned properly, press continue. Say continue. It says align needles on the first die. We don't have any probes situated. Edge center is disabled. Everything is okay. We say continue. And at this point, it's actually going through the process now of checking each die. It would also show you here, depending on what probes you had hooked up and interfacing to the control box, it would be able to give you pass, fail, how many it's done, and etc. You can pause if you had a reason to, or you can abort. We're going to abort. And it goes back to the load position.